Good morning, guys. Like to start off by saying it's a snow day. So I've been trying to upload yesterday's video. This is like my 5th or 6th time trying to upload it. It just like keeps getting stuck and not finishing uploading. I don't know why it's not working. Like hopefully it uploads this time, then if it does, I'll probably post like 9 o'clock, then more of you guys will be up. Right now it's 7:30. Then you guys can have a good start to your morning. So it was supposed to be a blizzard. It's 2 inches of snow. It was supposed to be today, we're supposed to have the blizzard. And like 16 inches of snow. It's a nor'easter. Just uploaded the video. Still trying to figure out how to change, well, I know how to change my profile picture and like the background, but it's not changing for me. Okay. I'm gonna go outside. Don't really know what I'm gonna do outside. Just guess sled around a little bit. But there's barely any snow. It's 2 inches of snow. So it's gonna be like yesterday, but I'm still just gonna have fun. Maybe my sister will come outside with me, have a little fun. Maybe we'll bring Liam outside. And I'm just gonna wear the stuff I had yesterday because it's right there. Who cares, honestly? I don't think you guys can see it, but someone drew a tongue right there. Then wrote hi with a little smiley face. Action shots. Hey. Oh. We're going in sled mode. Very dangerous though. Guys, it's about a 20-foot hill. Incline about 47 degrees. Wind speed 13. I'm about to go minimum 89 miles an hour or so. And it leads straight to a road. And on the side of the road's a cliff. Might be cheerleader ghost cliff diving. And here we go! Okay. Okay, we're going in the road. We're going in the road. Okay, we're in the road. Okay. We landed in the road like I said. From all the way up there. Good thing I know how to stop. We're gonna try that again. We're gonna go off the jump. Ready? Maximum velocity. Engaged. Okay. Off the jump. Ah! The tree. Oh my gosh. We just went off the jump and hit a tree. Good thing my foot stopped there. Also, we're smashing into a tree. Then we go sliding down the hill next. Down the cliff next over there. There's a cliff. Today's gonna be like yesterday. Even though yesterday turned out to be actually fun and I enjoyed it a lot. Just today's gonna be a little more boring than yesterday, I think. You never know. Maybe you can still make the most out of today, and actually today could actually be a really good day. Since there's not really that much to do today, maybe I'll hit you guys with some cinematics. Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no. What a great view outside. Looks nice, but like the clouds and the sun.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
I think that's going to be all for tonight for not really doing anything else. If anything else does happen, I'll make sure I'll go add it to the video. I'm just going to go finish editing the video right now, and then I think since I had so much trouble yesterday, I'm going to try to upload it tonight, but not post it until tomorrow. No, because I was having so much trouble last night trying to upload the video that I had to do it this morning. And then video today, or yesterday's video, I don't even know how to call it, they actually did pretty good. I have about 50 views on it, 10 likes, which I'm like really happy for. I didn't think I was going to get that many views yet. I was typing I got 50 views, because like, I mean it's like about 50 you guys watched this. And it just feels weird because going just from like my family watching these to now 50 people watching them, This is a little different. So, good night, guys. See you guys tomorrow.